Welcome to Endless Summer 2. This stunning 72-foot Irwin yacht is now available for purchase. She is located in Tortola, British Virgin Islands. Endless Summer 2 was custom built in 1982 with the help of her current owner and Ted Irwin himself. She has spent her entire life marina-based in the BVIs under one family's care. She is currently being used recreationally, but is NCI certified and charter ready. Endless Summer 2 is the improved charter version of the Irwin 65, featuring an abundance of opening hatches and portholes that ensure complete ventilation throughout. Full air conditioning is always available. The design team successfully engineered 4 guest staterooms aft of the salon, each with their own head and separate shower. A full galley, pantry, and 2 self-contained crew cabins are located forward. At the heart of this majestic sailing yacht is an extremely spacious full-width salon and navigation center. Comfortable ultra-leather benches surround a large teak dining table that easily seats 8 persons. The exterior has perfect view seating, expansive decks, and sun lounge areas. It is equipped with everything necessary to ensure comfort, safety, and fun. This beautiful yacht is seaworthy and ready to operate for leisure or a business opportunity. The owners of Endless Summer 2 are also selling their magnificent estate home, located 5 minutes away from the yacht's marina base. This strategically planned business structure and combination caters easily to all types of guests wanting to enjoy Tortola's land and ocean attractions. These 2 recreational or business opportunities are particularly easy to operate and manage. Both the home and yacht come with an extensive mailing list of satisfied and returning guests. These tropical lifestyle and exceptionally unique turnkey investments are now available for purchase.